Today's video is brought to you by Oxydo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxydo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxydo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxydo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Much like baseball season kicking off, so does the car show season, and we're heading to the very first car show of the year. I am super excited. It's actually one of those kind of man cave garage setups where you buy a garage and you just kind of set it up how you want. And I haven't been to this particular location in quite a few years, so now that we're back here in Minnesota, we're going to check it out for the first show of the year. Sit back and enjoy. But before we get too far into today's episode, you guys know the routine. Hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super, super helpful and very greatly appreciated. Well, it's been a few years since we've been here, and the place has grown quite a bit. Since we were here last, all of that is new. It's fun. Well, that's going to wrap things up for us here today. It's towards the end of the show. A lot of people have left. I did get here a little late. I do apologize for that. But still very good to get outside, get some fresh air, enjoy a little sunlight, and get together with some fellow car enthusiasts and see what people have out here. It's always a very good time. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Until next time.